Hello everyone. Today's my topic is digital of India. The digital of India is the market city, but are online shopping, offline shopping, but and jobs is application your form apply in the companies, marketings, but colleges and registration in application when we which are the containing then we have are the market city from the which is condition then are but application we have in this the uh, in have in a digital India, but are shopping, but are marketing on cities and villages, but from the jobs in vacancies the applies application from the job vacancies from are the completely in then sequentially for the containing are the digital of the India. The digital of India is the train ticket book, but bus ticket book. We are the applying in online ticket, movies ticket. Uh, but are when the sequentially of this containing when we views are the sequential as the correctness formatting question. What are digital of India is the shopping, but online offline shopping. Then are comparison from which and uh, mm, then compilation, but are the sequential marketing, but are then have which is containing this group of the and having this the particularly of the contains in the digital India formation of the but have in which uh, market city, but are online or of online, but our application we are the applying and the that but location your depend is the online, but are from flat rooms वगैरह, and in which are the booking apply. But our digital of India, which is contain is the classes, colleges you are applying from application, but we have the any containing way this the sequenceable or the compared from then are the when use format from and the condition when we wish to having from then which are the particularly of the India, then India of the but are most important and favorites, uh, but are digital with which containing format to having the applying the particularly jobs and vacancies at in apply, then having with the formation to have any this the perfectly in which the compare are then having the most importantly and commonly, but digital of India, the digital of India is the when we use are this the containing formatting from the in which an order other what is order is the confirm is the online shopping, but are movie tickets, but are buses trains is railway applies, but are vacancy companies, but example naukri.com, with applying your job vacancies, requirement hiring, but you to call me to call, but to then the online company is apply you are having then are these companies from but having this the digital India, the compare to the containing win which are the sequentiable formation in having are the main in which the India of a digital of India. Thank you.